Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So in today's video I'm going to do a haul, but this is a little different from my other hauls. This is more like a makeup organization haul. I have Miniso, I have things from Miniso, I have things from Ikea, and some of these things that I got are so amazing and they look so aesthetic. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got in this haul. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video now. And also, if you're someone who's seeing me for the first time, I post makeup and skincare related videos here on YouTube 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 7 p.m. So yeah, let's move on with the video now. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is this brush holder that I got. This is like a very beautiful brush holder. This actually is a glass holder, so you have to be really careful with this, but it looks so beautiful when it sits on top of my vanity. It just looks very beautiful, very pretty, and I just love that it I can store all my brushes, and I can see what brush I want to pick up while doing my makeup. Yet this looks very beautiful. I really do love the gold detailing on the sides here, and it's very Pinterest kind of aesthetic makeup storage. I really do love this one a lot. I'm so happy that I found this on Amazon. So this is the first product that I got, and I'm really happy about this purchase. Now the second product I got is from Miniso. I got this tray from Miniso. Now this tray, you can put it on your vanity, and you can put some serums, or you can put your daily makeup as well here and store it on top of your vanity. What I got this for is to keep all my serums. Like I'll keep my niacinamide serum in here, and I'll keep my vitamin C serums in here, and I'll just put this on in this drawer. As you can see here, I'll just pull this one out and I'll put this drawer inside that, and with that I can know where my niacinamide serums are, and I can know where my vitamin C serums are, and it's very organized, and I really do like this a lot. This tray is very compact. It's an acrylic tray, and obviously this is very sturdy as well, so it's not going to break or anything. It's very lightweight as well. The next thing I got are these things, and again I really do like these a lot as well. This comes with 3-pack. So this is an Ikea product. These are fake actually, this is not real. So this is one I keep it right here, one I'll keep it on my tray, and one I'll keep it like near my basin where I wash my face. So this tray comes in a pack, and I really am not someone, I'm not good when it comes to real plants, so I'm really glad I got these fake ones. So this looks very real actually, to be honest. Especially this one looks very real. These two looks real too, and this sitting on top of your vanity looks pretty good. So yeah, I really do like it. If you are someone who likes doing flat lays, taking good shots of makeup, these are going to look so good sitting in your pictures and everything as such. And just sitting on your vanity, this is just going to bring a little bit of life. Like for example, after keeping this here, as you can see, it just looks it looks very cute. So yeah, I really am happy with this purchase as well. So the next product I got is this scented candle. So this is again something that I got because I really like the gray aesthetic of this candle, and this is in the scent vanilla latte, and I got this from Miniso. I got this from Amazon. This is from Miniso. So I really do love the scent of this candle so much. It smells like matcha latte. It is so it's so soothing. The scent is so soothing. So what I do is I keep this candle here, and at night sometimes I'll burn this candle, and it just looks very good, very aesthetic. So everything I got in this video is very aesthetic, and I do like Miniso candles. So this is what I got. It is very inexpensive as well. Yeah, it's just 190 rupees, and you get this huge glass jar. I don't know what to say, but yeah, you get this beautiful packaging candle. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. Anyway, I really do like this. The scent is also very good as well. So the next thing and the best thing I got from this haul is this drawer that you see here. This is my baby right here. This is actually my skincare drawer. I cannot show this, yeah, you know, holding this to you guys right now, but I will show a clip of how I store my, you know, skincare and everything. Now it's all a mess. But yeah, I got this drawer mainly because I wanted to store my skincare. I got this, you know, this is from Ikea, and I was so happy to get this drawer because this is such this was such a needed drawer for me, because I wanted to get a separate drawer where I can store all my skincare products, because my skincare products were getting out of hand. I couldn't hold my skincare and makeup together in the same drawer. So that is why I wanted to get a separate kind of like a mini drawer for my skincare, and this has 3 drawers in it, which is pretty good for my skincare collection. So this is my skincare drawer. You can get this for your makeup if you are someone who has a little bit of minimal makeup, you know, you can get this. You can keep your books in here. It is definitely sturdy, but just keep in mind that do not put a lot of weight. I did the mistake of putting a lot of weight at first, and then it's not that, you know, like sturdy. So obviously it stores a lot of my skincare, but just a reminder that do not put a lot of weight. So I really do like it, although I do have to say that when it comes, it doesn't come like this. You do have to assemble it on your own. It's very easy to assemble. You can look up at YouTube videos also on how to assemble this. If I can do it, you can do it, believe me. It took me about like an hour to assemble this, but I really do like it. I have, you know, put all of a little bit of, you know, here, as you can see, a little bit of skincare here in a very aesthetic way. I really do like that it's white. I love white storage products, and this is one of the best buy ever on Amazon. And yeah, so moving on to my next thing from the haul. So this is the glass tray that I got. This looks so beautiful. This has, you know, glass sides, and the down of the tray is purely glass, and I really do like this tray because it's so aesthetic to look at, and I just keep all my minimal kind of skincare in this, and I put this on my bigger vanity, and it just sits there. It looks very good. So this is how the tray looks like. As you can see, that's me filming. So yeah, this is how the tray looks like. It's very aesthetic. I really do like it. I think I posted a picture of this tray on my Instagram. A lot of you guys asked me where I got this tray from. I got it from Amazon. It's really good, really pretty to look at. If you are someone, again, you like, you know, collecting aesthetics makeup storage, you are going to love this. You can put your skincare, a little bit of skincare. You can put your perfumes in here, and it's just going to look so beautiful. I am really happy with this purchase as well, and this came so wonderfully packed. I thought it was going to break or something was going to happen while ordering this, but this came in very intact, and I love, you know, how this makes my vanity look. And yeah, really happy with this purchase as well. So the next thing I got are these holders. Like, you know, you can see here, these holders are so good to store makeup in, especially makeup, I would say. I don't store this, like, I don't store my skincare in this, but for makeup, this is amazing because I'll store all my blushes like so, and it just stays very good. It stays very organized. One I'll keep for my blush tray, one I'll keep as my bronzer tray, and I'm very organized in that way. Like, I don't mix my blush and bronzer in that way. So I really do like it. These are very inexpensive. So if you are someone who's searching for something like this to put in your drawer for, you know, organizing your makeup, I just feel like these are amazing. You can put your liquid lipsticks in here as well. You can put your lip liners in here, and yeah, it's just a very good way to stay, you know, make your makeup organized. And also, like, this looks pretty good as well because this comes in this white creamish beige color. So I really do like this a lot. These are very sturdy as well. Very something that you know, this is very basic, but this actually helps to keep my makeup very organized, and I really have been loving these a lot as well. Next product I got here is this big glass vase or vase, however you want to say this. This is very heavy. I did put up some stones in here because I'll tell you guys in a minute why. But this is a very beautiful, you know, glass vase. So if you put some flowers in here, it just looks very good. Again, I got this for my vanity because I really do love, you know, decorating my vanity, just organizing everything. And yeah, this just looks so good. I do have to say that this actually I got it because of these flowers. Again, I got these flowers from Amazon as well. I will leave all the links and everything down below. So what I do is I put the stones in here. The stones I did not get it from Amazon. I had it at home. So I just put the flowers like so, and it just stays on my vanity like this, and it just looks so good. And yeah, and someone asked where did I get these flowers. I got it from Amazon as well, and I'm really happy about it because this looks very beautiful. These flowers look very, I would say, very real. Obviously the flower, like the petals doesn't look real, but the flower itself looks very real. I'm someone, I do like fake flowers much more than, you know, real, because I cannot keep real flowers alive. I cannot keep real plants alive, so I just opt for the fake ones. And these look very real, and this just looks very good when it sits on top of my vanity. So really love this entire haul. As I said, I really love all the products in here. Let me know what you guys like, you know, most from this haul. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I post 3 days a week, which is Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 7 p.m. So if you like the vibe here, if you like my videos, thank you so much. And yeah, subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Let me know your guys thoughts, you know, in the description box. If you are going to get anything from this haul that I showed you, or if you have anything on your wish list that you think I might like, leave them in the comments down below. I love hearing your comments as well, your thoughts and opinions. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.